talaga. Hi guys, good morning. Ayan na guys, so now we are in Boracay.
Yes, we're in Boracay.
So now we are outside Andox.
Yes.
I'll show you.
Dami Mandok. Manok.
I'll show you the Andox. So we are here guys kasi we are, so this is, we are waiting because this is Jack's Christmas gift from May.
Do I close my ears or do we just make a surprise for us? Because I have no idea what's going on.
Surprise for Jack. So, hindi ko na kayo nasabi kanina. Pero, eto. Wala, medyo tayo off.
We're getting matching tattoos.
Mamaya ulit. We just arrived at the Boracay Helicopter Adventures, but before anything else, we need to sign in inside their office.
Right, check in first.
Okay guys, so we are in, where we are, Jax?
Boracay.
As your t-shirt says. So, we are in the Boracay Helicopter Adventure, guys.
Correct.
By a Klook, Bekinaman. So, this is my present, Christmas present to Jax. Are you surprised?
Yes, I was expecting the ATV or something. I mean, I saw the helicopters flying on the coastline, but I didn't think that's what we were going to be doing today. All I knew is it was going to be something dry, like not water-based, and yeah. So I was surprised that when the van came and picked us up, obviously the writing on the side gave it away. And so yes, good present.
So, ayun yung lipad, guys. So, there's a lot of queues. So, I think morning have a lot of queues. So, Asian queues. So, I will show you later and I will tell you the details kung paano nag-book ako dito sa helicopter adventure ride. So, mamaya ulit.
Going.
I purchased our Boracay Helicopter Tour PIP for 2 by a Klook website. The Boracay Helicopter experience a 10 to 20 minutes aerial view of the islands is a package and depends on your choice. There are a lot of choices you can choose from: beach tour group of 2 10 minutes helicopter flight experience, beach tour group of 3 10 minutes helicopter flight experience, island tour group of 2 15 minutes helicopter flight experience, island tour group of 3 15 minutes helicopter flight experience, VIP tour group of 2 20 minutes helicopter flight experience, and last is VIP tour group of 3 20 minutes flight helicopter flight experience. While you are waiting on your turn, they will ask you to wait in the waiting area, and if your turn, they will call your name. Helicopter ride experience highlights choose between 3 different packages depending on your plans and budget. Enjoy the spectacular views of Boracay and outlying islands like Carabao and Crocodile Island. Capture bird's eye view photographs during your ride as a memento of a treasured experience. Just 2 plus the pilot, total of 3 people. Before anything else, we need to put our seatbelt first. The pilot will briefly explain the flight. Here we go. I purchased a 20 minutes aerial view flight experience, which is the VIP for two. This tour will take you around various islands in Boracay, including Carabao Island and Crocodile Island. The pilot will briefly explain each island that we'll see from the aerial flight. We are now approaching the Carabao Island. As you can see, that's the Carabao Island. What is Caravan Island known for? Known for its pristine and uncrowded beaches with clear turquoise waters and fine white sand that can rival that of Boracay. Overshadowed with the world-famous hedonistic Boracay, this unassuming island has managed to retain its serenity. Where is Carabao Island, Philippines? The municipality of San Jose, Carabao Island, or Hambil, like the locals know it, is a small island located in the south of the Romblon province of the Philippines, just a few minutes away from its stepsister, the world-famous Boracay. Can you stay on Carabao Island? We recommend staying at one of the most popular hotels in Carabao Island, which include Ocean's Edge Resort, Lana's Beach Resort, and the Beach House. You can see the whole island of Carabao Island, and now we are heading back to Boracay Island to see the next island. Now you can see the whole island of Boracay. You can see the front of Boracay Island from your right, and left is the back of the island. This is the start of the front of the Boracay Island. You can see Station 1 from here. Station 1 is the quiet station on the island. Aside from some luxury and grand accommodation is here. This has the Punta Bunga beach where you can do snorkeling and some restaurant. We are still at Station 1. From here you can see the Willis Rock is the most photographed landmark in Boracay, also known to many as the Grotto. It is characterized by a unique cluster of rock formation with a statue of the Virgin Mary. It is located at Station 1 and can be easily seen along the beach. After the Station 1, we are at Station 2, this scenic white sand beach with clear waters. After Station 1 and 2, you can see Station 3. On the right side, you can see the Kateklan Malay. While on the left side, you can see the Cagban Jetty Port or the Boracay Jetty Port. We are now approaching the two more islands nearby Boracay Island. The island near to us is the Magic Island, and the one at the back is the Crystal Cove Island Resort. Magic Island is a small tropical paradise located about 6 kilometers away from Boracay Island. Magic Island is a small island specializing in cliff jumping. It is very close to Crystal Island. In the south of Crystal Cove Island Resort, you will find a beautiful sandy beach that invites swimming. From there, you can snorkel along the coastline and admire the remarkable beauty of the Philippines underwater world. The entrance fee of Crystal Cove Island amounts 200 peso per person. We are now heading to another island, the Crocodile Island. This island earned its name from its distinctive shape, which vaguely resembles a crocodile's head. Now you can see the back of Boracay Island from above. You can see the Bulabog Beach, also known for kite surfing and windsurfing, with lessons and equipment rentals available. This is the back of the Boracay Island. You can see the Kujoski Hole from above. It's another tourist attraction in Boracay. Now you can see the Iligan Beach, the secluded beach with fine white sand and clear water, offering snorkeling and sunbathing. We are now approaching the end of our VIP tour helicopter experience. You can see this is the end of the Boracay Island.
The landing's a lot better than the takeoff. The fact it flies backwards and it goes forwards. It's pretty rough going over the Carabao Island, like you felt a lot more.
Cute. Very nice.
Oh, I've been waiting for us.
So that's it, guys. That's our Boracay helicopter experience via Boracay Helicopter Adventure via Klook, guys, sa kanilang website. So this is the career of the Lion Air, guys, dito sa Boracay. Boracay helicopter flight experience. Nakita nyo kanina, this is my Christmas present for Jax for December 2022, guys. So this was taken last January 2023, guys, nung nasa Boracay kami. I think this was in 3rd day or 4th day. Anyways, so ayun na nga, guys, Christmas present ko yun kay Jax. So they also do a pick up and drop off. So sasabihin nila, if you purchase your ticket via Klook, they also have different, I think, platform website. I'm not sure in different agency or website. But I prefer, and nagbook ako dito sa Klook, guys. And I will put their SOCMED in my description box down below. And you can check it out. Plus, disclaimer, this is not sponsored by Klook. So, pinurchase ko siya sa aking sariling pockets. So, anyways, nakita nyo, guys, walang kaalam na alam si Jax na ito yung aking Christmas present. Sinabi ko lang sa kanya, this is my Christmas present for you. Pero wala siyang he don't have any idea kung ano yon. So, nakita niya lang nung sinundo kami ng pick-up truck, nakita niya na Boracay Helicopter Adventure. So, he have idea already na this is a helicopter flight experience. So, anyways, this is our not first time to do a helicopter rides. We did the helicopter rides in Australia in 12 Apostles in Great Ocean Road, guys. And I think, I'm not sure if I had a video before of the 12 Apostles in Great Ocean Road dito sa Melbourne, guys, sa Victoria. Anyways, nakita nyo, guys, and I purchased the VIP Group 2. They also have a packages, depends on your budget and depends what you are looking for. They also have the island tour for group 2, the island tour for group of 3, and they also have the VIP for group 2 and the VIP for group 3. So anyways, depends kung ilan kayo sasakay ng helicopter. So they also have a pilot. He will briefly explain what's the island that you will going to supposed to see from the top or from the aerial view. So anyways, nakita nyo, I purchased the 20 minutes aerial view from above of Boracay. So, hindi lang Boracay yung nakita natin. We seen the Carabao Island and other islands na malapit sa Boracay. We also see at the back of the Boracay Island, guys, it's very famous and popular for the kiteboarding. So, if you prefer and if you love to do a kiteboarding, doon kayo sa likod ng Boracay instead on the harap of the Boracay Island. So, ayun yung aking information, guys, na sinabi ng ating lovable pilot. Anyways, nakita nyo, guys, it's a 20 minutes flight experience. We had fun on our helicopter Boracay flight experience. And bago kayo pumasok, you need to register your name in their office, and then you need to wait, and then somebody will call you. Yung sinabi ko kanina earlier dun sa ating video, kung nakinig tayo, guys. Anyways, so once again, I will put their SOCMEDs in my description box down below. The Klook website, guys, this is not sponsored by Klook. This is paid by me, myself, and I. So, walang sponsor dito sa video na to. So, anyways, that's the end of our video for today. Our Boracay helicopter flight experience for today's video. I hope you enjoy watching. You learned for today, guys. You had fun for today's video. And mega love shout out to each wonderful, beautiful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my hypothalamus. Please like if you did enjoy my video for today, and please do subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit the bell button for you to get notified on my next video. And please comment down below if you like this video po, and see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye, guys. Be good, you take care, be safe, and mwah! Ciao lang!